Hello, this is Quincy. I'm going to be showing you our game design doc and the pitch for our game. I'm in a group with Philip, and we're making a 2D turn-based space exploration game. So this is our game design doc. I'm just going to talk a little bit about the features and what we have so far and what we're hoping for it to kind of look like in the end. So our title is just Astral Chronicles. It takes place in space, and you play as a player ship. The main core mechanics are going to be to move in the solar system, where you would visit other planets or traders to purchase things. And you also will trigger random ship battles. In the ship battles, you will have an array of weapons and abilities. How we are hoping for it to look right now is the ship is going to have an X amount of modules that can either store a module or a weapon. Weapons essentially will do damage, whereas modules will apply a buff to some capacity to it. So for our assets, this is what we're looking to use. For our ship interior, I found a nice little tile map that we can use. And then for our ships, it's all from Kenny and L, is going to include, as you can see here. Again, this is a more in-depth idea of what our features are going to have. So we're going to have multiple different types of weapons that could be buffed with modules, or the ship can be buffed with modules. It's going to be lasers, missiles, machine guns, and EMP bombs so far. And each of these have different effects of what they can and can't do. I don't have a list of status effects yet, just because we're still in the process of brainstorming them, but damage over time or applying just increased damage is an idea that you can think about. As for inspiration or an idea of what we want our game to look like, this is a photoshopped screenshot of kind of what it looks like. So you're going to be able to travel to different planets, shoot asteroids in the world, and then get into encounters with enemy ships. Some ideas of what the end result is going to look like is going to be a little bit like this, where you have your side of things versus their side of things, as you do in damage, and you just fight. For our timeline and organizing our timeline, we have a card right here that that pretty much explains with milestone dates attached to them of what we're expecting to complete by said date. There's going to be two parts, one for myself and one for my partner, where we will indicate what is done, and then we will also sign off that we've completed it. I will provide you with a link to our GDD, where you can actually access our GitHub as well and see how this game evolves. Thank you for watching.